And hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today again we are playing Block Animals, and that. So yeah, if you haven't watched the first episode and second episode, I recommend you watch that before watching this because this will have a lot of spoilers. So yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, quick recap was I got 3 gravels, a baby one, actually. Yes, and my brother's young for my mom. And I got Mr. and Mrs. Tree and Mr. and Mrs. So yeah, anyways, I guess we'll be hunting. But first, what I want to do is actually just do that and get one more stick. Because I just yeet myself over here real quick. Now I got 9 of these. And of course I like making it 2 ones high because I don't know why. His head was just in the fence. Lol. Oh yeah, I forgot to do a shout out the last 3 videos. And well, I mean counting this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give 3 shout outs. Well, I want to give 1 shout out to my friends, I guess. No, I don't know, but I definitely want to give 1 to my friends and family because I haven't seen them in a very long time since quarantine. And yeah, my brother's yelling in the background again. Sorry about that. But yeah, and so that's 2 shout outs. So, and last shout out I want to give to, what's it called? No, what is it called? I forgot. Oh yeah, now I remember. Yeah, so I'm giving a shout out to one of my friends that I was actually playing with earlier, and they don't want to say their real name, so for now we're just gonna call them, I don't know, let's call them James, I don't know. Let's call them James, although that's not their real name, of course. But yeah. So, shout out to him because he is a very good friend. Yeah, and let's get into the video. So, well, I didn't mean let's get into the video, but because we are getting the video, you know, whatever. But, yes, I mean, let's get some wood, I guess. So, I see it. Oh, I always want one of these guys, but I don't have enough. I'll jump on this guy's head. How do you even get white concrete? I'm gonna look at that in a minute. Oh, a sheep. No, sorry, sheep, but I might have to kill you. I don't care about your food that you got. I just need your wool. See, I don't care about this food. Thank you. Alright, there we go. I just dropped it. He's like, there's 2 of them, and I don't have it, and I can't get it. So, yeah, what I was saying was let's get wood. I'm getting distracted again. Oh, and again, please watch the first and second video that I made on this. I really hope you guys like this series, and what's awesome is that I managed to get 2 likes in a matter of 30 minutes on my video, and that's the best I've ever gotten. So thank you so much guys for your support, and yeah, trying to get us. You know what? 10 should be good actually. And we're gonna do, let's say, get about 20 of these again. And now that you have 30 of these, go back to where you are, I guess. Where was my place? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. I really like this game, by the way, guys. I really recommend it. To be honest, I even like it more than Skyblock. And I really like Skyblock. So I definitely recommend this to you guys who like cute games. So like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Just die. Like that. And like that. Trap myself again. But that is not a problem because, yes, it is a problem. Oh, wait, I'm done. I could just do this. I am very dumb. I tried climbing over it. I could have just, whatever. But, of course, let's get some more sticks. So I could do yeet. Like that. There we go. So this will be the second ranch. I wonder what we're gonna get in here today. But I guess we'll look. Sorry about my brother again. Got 20 of those still. So yeah, let's go look for some blocks, I guess. Maybe we'll try to find coals in this video. That would be nice. Like, wouldn't that be cool if we could find coals? Is there like a mine down here? Probably gonna die now. You know, I would also like sand. I think sand would be a nice thing. Probably gonna die. Oh, no, maybe not. Maybe it just does bring me into a river or something. So yeah, let's try to find some coal, baby. I swear I saw. That's over there. So over there, there's probably a mine, I think. I shouldn't say mine, but like cave. In what's it called? Second video or first? I forget. Yeah, here. Yeah, there's coal blocks. But of course, I don't have a pickaxe to get coal. Ooh, I want that stone. But I don't have a pickaxe. I need a pickaxe. Come on, I need a pickaxe. I'm going to get a pickaxe. Come on, I just need some. You know what, here, I'll take you, tree. Tree, I choose you. Thank you, tree. I'm gonna name this a holy tree. For actually helping me. So I guess I'll try to get coal and cobblestone, maybe? There we go. And that, and it's not letting me click. There we go. Quick, we need to get to the cave, or mine, whatever you want to call it. I'm calling it cave, so. Also, I need sheep. Oh, cool, I see the coal now. Let me just mine you real quick. Stone! Yes. Stone. No, that's not stone. Wait, did I just see coal? I see coal here. It's hard to see here, and I'm sorry about that. There's these mushrooms. But, come on. Come on, stone. Ooh, that looks cool. Oh, of course. Ooh, I need one of these too. Because I saw an andesite one too, so. You know, I'm actually just gonna grab a lot of these real quick so I can make stone. This coal is coming by me, but I don't even have coal. Do I? I don't have coal. Walking across the path that I made them. See, there's andesite over there. But, come on. Come on, stone. I'm thinking of naming this video the Stone Age because sorry, my dad's in the background. And let's quickly make a stone pickaxe just in case. Where is... Oh, I shouldn't say where is, but I need another stone. See, here's an andesite, but I don't need an andesite. But here, andesite, where are you? Here, I'm gonna give you that block. Ow! That hurt. See, I want to get that. If there's anything behind that, maybe? I don't think there is. You know, I'm actually gonna find it. Here we go. What I was gonna say was, I was gonna get a furnace. So I could smelt stone, cobblestone I mean, into actual stone. God, I'm running out of time to get stone. Oh wait. Oh, no more baby gravel. That's sad. I like the baby gravel. Oh, there's another tree over there. I'm trying to do stuff from something in Roblox. I have no idea why. Stone, where are you? Ow. I don't even know why I said ow. Stone. I have no stone. Well, I guess I'll end the video here. Well, actually, no, not yet. If I fell there, I would have been so angry. Hi. Is there... See, this is the only stone I have. See, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here now. So, see you guys in another video with PJ Oof. Also, can this maybe hit, could we go for, maybe like 7 likes? That would be awesome. But, see ya.